Hey guys, welcome to Tech is Guru. Today we'll be learning how to turn off Gmail notifications, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off your Gmail notifications, first open up your Gmail app on your phone. And on this interface, after opening your Gmail app, at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on the three-lined icon at the top left. And when this panel appears, scroll down to the bottom of the screen or this panel, and there is the settings option available for us just above the help and feedback. Tap on settings and you land on this page where you can see the general settings option available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on general settings, and over here there is the manage notifications button available for us, which is the third one. Tap on manage notifications, and all of the notifications from Gmail will be over here. If you want to particularly turn off some notifications on Gmail, you can go through all of these options over here in order to turn off those notifications particularly. But if you want to turn them off totally at once, tap on the toggle icon at the top right corner of the screen over here, just at the right side of allow notifications. Tap on it and that will be turned off, and with that being done, your Gmail notifications will be turned off on your phone. And guys, this is how to turn off Gmail notifications. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.